How to create your own fonts in Silhouette Studio. Step 1. In Silhouette Studio, go to the Font Creation tab in the right toolbar. Step 2. With the first tab selected, click Show Font Creator Sheet and wait for it to load. Step 3. Once the sheet loads, go to File and click Print. Step 4. Click Print in the Print Preview screen. Step 5. Make sure that your printer is selected and click Print in the Print pop-up window. Step 6. Grab the printed page and a pen and start writing the letters in the box. Step 7. Once you've finished filling out the sheet, click Scan and select your printer from the list. Step 8. Place the sheet on the scanner unit and click Start Scan. Step 9. In the new pop-up dialog box, select Custom Settings and click Scan. Step 10. Once done, the scanned font will be accessible from the second tab in the Font Creation panel. Step 11. Double-click on the letter and it'll load in the media. Step 12. If you wish to edit the letter, double-click and it'll bring up the point editing tool. Step 13. If the letters are shaky, click Simplify. Step 14. If you've made any changes to the letters, click Save Glyph to save the changes. Step 15. Once you're happy with all the letters, go ahead and rename the font on the bar that says Untitled. Step 16. Next, you have 3 different save options to choose from: Test Run, Save Final Version and Install, and Save Final Version without installing. Step 17. If you select Test Run, it'll install the font temporarily but will not be saved in Silhouette Studio or the computer. Step 18. If you select Save Final Version and Install, it'll save the font to the computer and can be used in all applications. Step 19. If you select Save Final Version without installing, it'll save the final font on the computer as a TTF file for later installation or use. Step 20. If you wish to install the font to Silhouette Studio, select the Save Final Version and Install option and click Save. Step 21. Once done, click OK on the pop-up prompt. Step 22. Now, select text from the left toolbar and type out a word. Step 23. Open the text style panel, search the font you created and it should be accessible. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.